Welcome to Soama Media.
The silent invisible wall. Have you ever noticed that the news doesn't just tell you what happened, but tells you what to be afraid of next? There is a psychological reason for this. Fear is the most effective tool for mass synchronization. When a population is afraid, their brains switch from high-level critical thinking to low-level survival mode. In survival mode, we don't ask for nuance, we ask for protection. And that is exactly where control begins. The rally round the flag effect. In psychology, there is a phenomenon called the rally round the flag effect. Research shows that during times of external threat, whether it's a pandemic, a war, or an economic crash, people's trust in the government actually increases temporarily. We instinctively look for a strong leader to save us. Because of this, maintaining a state of perpetual crisis becomes a strategic advantage for those in power. If there isn't a crisis, one is often highlighted or framed to keep the public in a state of dependency. If you're ready to take your power back, leave a comment with the word sovereign below. Let's build a community that chooses peace over fear, and let's keep growing together. Now moving on. The weaponization of the other. The second tactic is polarization. By creating an us versus them narrative, fear is redirected away from the system and toward our neighbors. Whether it's political parties, different nationalities, or social classes, fear of the other keeps the masses divided. As the old saying goes, a house divided against itself cannot stand. If we are busy fighting each other over the fears fed to us by a screen, we aren't looking up at the hands holding the feed. Reclaiming your narrative. The first step to breaking the control is simply noticing the tactic. When you see a headline designed to make your heart race, ask yourself, who benefits from me being afraid right now? Awareness is the antidote to manipulation. In our next video, we're going to talk about how to flush this fear out of your system and find your center again.
Garantangi. Till the next video.